welcome back to my channel. My name is Bresny, the Lit Mirror on Instagram and TikTok. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for all your help and support towards this channel and helping it grow. If you're new here, hi, welcome. My name is Bresny, the Lit Mirror on Instagram and TikTok, and I make all sorts of videos, but specifically beauty, fashion, wig reviews here and there, and then whatever else comes to mind. So if you're interested in joining me in my crazy ventures, be sure to press the subscribe button down below and turn on the notification bell so you get notified when I post new videos. We're trying to reach 600 subscribers, so please be a part of that by subscribing and sharing this video. So I purchased another wig from Sensationnel, and usually I don't purchase wigs from them because their caps are small for my head size. To me, they're not big head friendly. From a person with a lot of hair and a big head, they usually fit tight. So I wanted to give them a chance, especially because I saw a couple wigs that I liked from them and I wanted to try them. So this is one of them. In my last wig video, I showed you guys the other one. This is Emery. I purchased her in a color number 2. I wanted to see if it was beginner friendly and if it was something that you can wear out of the box. So those were my standards for this wig. So if you're interested in knowing what I think about this wig, stay tuned and keep watching. Also, if you're interested in this wig, I will leave all the information in the description box down below. Let's talk about this. Alright, it's not a plop and go. It's not big head friendly. I wanted to give Sensationnel a shot because their wigs that I've tried on in the past, I feel like they are not big head friendly. Like they're big head tolerable, but they're not friendly because look at these sides. I would have to like lay this down, and if I lay this down it will be super tight. Granted, I know that my hair is not as flat as it can be, but even if I flatten it as much as I can, like it'll still fit me a little tight. And I don't like my wigs to fit tight. It'll give me a headache the whole time that I'm wearing it. Talk about the density on here. It's supposed to be like a curly, not curly, but like have big barrel curls. That's gonna get tangled. The density on here, it's a lot. I like big hair though, so if it's not for you, then no. I feel like it needs plucking in the hairline. I didn't glue it down, so please don't mind that. But I would have to pluck that because that looks too much. It's not what lace. It's not giving me, it's not. It's not giving me what lace. What the hell, bro? Which one's this? This is Emery. Emery's giving me bulky. That's what she's giving me. But it's nothing that I couldn't fix. Like, I can pluck this hairline a little bit. This part here, I feel like it's fine. The parting space. I feel like the hairline just needs plucking. And it would be a wig that I would have to lay on and finesse a lot. And I would probably like mousse this hair down just so that it can hold its shape a little better. And so that it won't do whatever it's doing now just because it's a lot of hair. And it will tangle. It's been tangling, a hot tangling mess since I wore it. I don't know if it's just the one that I got. Beginner friendly, if it's something that you can just plop and put on your head, I give it like a 4 out of 10 for that. Definitely needs work for my standards. This is my standard. I would definitely have to do something with this because this looks like a hot mess. The wig is nice though, like on the card. This is what it looked like, you know, it was giving me like bombshell babe, but putting it on, it's giving me hot mess. hot mess, and like my wig keeps sliding back and back and back. If I don't lay it down, it will be like back here by the time that I finish this video, you know? And that's not what we're trying to do. We're not trying to do that, you know? No. She was $43.99 on Diva Trust. I don't know. It's not my fave. I feel like I have better wigs that do the same thing. I see where you were going, Sensational, but not for me. Not that it's not for me, it would just be too much work for me. Maybe in another video we can see if we can make this work, or maybe I can do it on TikTok. I'll probably do it on TikTok, show you guys how I finesse this wig, so keep your eyes open for that. How about that? Go follow me on TikTok at thelitmirror. But anyways, let me know what you think and how you would fix this. I want it to work, so we're gonna attempt to make it work on TikTok, okay?